Have you ever wanted to share a photo or video on WhatsApp, but you are not sure how to access your gallery quickly? Whether it's a birthday photo, business flyer, or any picture at all. If you watch this video to the end, I'll show you the fastest way to send anything from your phone's gallery directly to any chat or group. Now let's get into it. So first of all, you are going to open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, then you search for the number or the contact you want to send the picture or the video to. So I'm going to send it to this number. So I tap to open. Now this is where the trick is going to take place. This is where the trick is going to take place. If you are new here, subscribe so that you don't miss our next videos. Like this video and share to friends and family so that they can benefit from our videos. So now you are going to click on the paper clip here. So click on it. So when you click on it, then you click on gallery. So we have gallery here. You click on gallery. So after clicking on gallery, now you are going to search for the picture or the video you want to send. So if you have got the picture or the video, just tap on it. You can send multiple pictures or videos. So just click to send. Yeah. So if you also want to edit the video before sending, you can edit from here. Just click here to edit. So let me click on it for you to see. So click on it. So here you can make good use of this icons. You can make good use of it. So after you have finished editing, then you just tap on the send button. Then it will be sent. So you can see it will be sent. Yeah, so we teach about China importation, how you can import from China, bring it to your own country, and then make a lot of money. If you want to join our China importation, contact the numbers on your screen now to enroll. We have the free class and then we have the masterclass, so you can join any one of them. So for iPhone users, you launch your WhatsApp. After launching your WhatsApp, then you search for the contact you want to send the picture or the video to. So I'm going to send it to this contact. Then you click on this plus button. You click on it. When you click on the plus button, you see photos. Click on the photos. After clicking on photos, then you search for the picture or video you want to send. So I've gotten the picture I want to send, so I have it here. You click on it. If you also want to edit the picture or the video before sending, so you click on the pencil down here. You click on it. Then you can make good use of these icons. So you can see you can edit before you send. After you have finished editing, then you click on the send button. Voila, it has been sent. So you see, this is the smartest way to send a picture or a video to somebody. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to friends and family so they can benefit from the video.